Hello, in front of me I've got Arzopa S1 Table. In this video I'll tell you why does the monitor make a current sound or rustling noise. In the beginning, confirm where the noise is coming from. If it is the noise from the connection, replug the interface or replace it with new cable. If it's the sound from the adapter or the speaker, it may be due to quality of power adapter. In any case, you can try to reset your monitor settings and changing the cable. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.